thought to share a quick and short tour with you guys of my makeup studio. Here I do perform makeovers on my clients, and also I film all my YouTube videos. So ready to come with me? Let's get into the room. So when I enter, on the left side you will gonna see a huge wall. It's a combination of two colors, light gray and white, and I didn't painted it in vertical lines because it gives an illusion of a big room. And this is the wall vinyl decal that I ordered from Amazon. When I saw this first, I wanted this in my room because it represents my personality, and that's what I believe in. A girl should be two things: classy and fabulous. So this stripped line wall is only on the one side of the room. I didn't do like whole room with this because it will look definitely congested. I put this chair here just for the sake of making video. Otherwise this chair is placed in front of my vanity normally. But I will gonna tell you why I bought this chair later in the video. So I placed these vinyl decals here, some of them because this area of the wall was empty as well. So it has a lipstick, mascara, liner I believe, and a gel liner. And these decals make such a difference in the room. It actually gives you a vibe of a professional makeup studio. So here I just placed a vase and an Oatman, and this is just temporary. I will be changing with some other couch. I'm just looking for a perfect one for the room. Now coming toward the drawers, these drawers I ordered from Ikea, and there is a piece of wood on the top of both the drawers. I didn't purchase a separate table for this, just to, you know, save some space. And these drawers are actually giant drawers. These are full of makeup, guys. If you want to see that how I organize my makeup, do leave the comment in the comment section below. I can make another video, maybe a part 2 of how I organize my drawers, and I can go through everything that what is in my drawers. And this is the mirror that I bought from Impressions. It was online again, guys. I'm a big online purchaser. I can't go to the malls and look for the things and, you know, spend time searching, and I don't have patience to do all that. So yeah, just one click and the product is just in front of your door. So these are the liners that Sculpt sent me as a gift. It's a black and brown, their new launch. I will be reviewing them on my Instagram page. If you don't follow me, go check it out. And the link of the page is on the left top corner, or I will leave the link in the description box as well. And just few eyeshadow palettes are here. So coming towards the ring light, I use this for making all my videos, and also when I'm doing a makeup on my clients, especially in the evening and nighttime when I don't have the daylight and there's no point of opening the blinds. And then the ring light comes in action. You can see that there is a pink makeup box sitting there. It's just my personal makeup, guys. I only put my products in that box. I don't use those on my clients. So here you can see the bar stools. These are adjustable and movable. So easy to do makeovers on these chairs. In the corner you can see a storage box that I will be removing very soon. It's just temporary over there. I'm looking for actually a big huge wall mirror, and I'm gonna place that in this corner. Just waiting till I find the perfect one. So here we come back again where we started from. So there will be some changes that I'll be doing in coming future, and once I get everything, I'm gonna make a part 2 for sure. And if you guys are interested, do let me know. So I'll be bringing maybe a couch. I need more drawers for my makeup and a big huge wall mirror. So now let me tell you why I bought the chair. As I mentioned earlier that I'll be telling you why I bought this chair, because of the back. Look at the back. It is so classic and feminine. When I saw this chair at first, I was totally in love. I bought this from Ikea, and it is pure leather, and it totally syncs with the theme of my studio. I like the details of the chair, and the way the studs were placed make me buy the chair. So yeah, that was why I bought the chair. So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the mini tour of my makeup studio, and do let me know if you have any suggestions. Please leave the comment in the comment section below. If you like the video, do give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also make sure, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your continuous support and love. Take care and bye for now.